I decided while I was doing her eyes to add eyelashes, because one thing I always noticed about elephants is that they just have these like really big eyelashes. So I already added some to one eye, which looks like a hippo without her trunk, but there we go. And now I'm going to do the other eye. I'm scared to set her down. Her legs are fragile. Okay. So I just squished a piece of clay, teeny tiny. Like ripped off a tiny piece and just squished it. And now I'm going to cut it down a little bit. Ooh. And I'm going to use my needle tool to add some little lines in it and maybe cut some of it. So it creates this teeny tiny little ragged looking strip. And it's really dry. So I'm going to put some slip on it. And to attach it to the eye, I can't even tell if this is in frame, I'm just going to set it on there. Like that. Oh, that eye's crooked. Ah, I broke it. I might have to redo that. But that's the idea. There we go. You want to continuously check both sides to make sure the eyes are even in the same spot, same distance. It might be a little off, but that's okay.